Sign up today and get 100% cash back on your first purchase. There is no offer greater than this. You will get all the money you spend in shopping back. Wow, I think you will just get some money from your friends and family right away, and use it to shop, because you will get it back. Wow, you can start earning your cash back at 2,000 or more supported retailers around the world. This is a great opportunity for you. If you love to shop but you don't have enough money, this system gives you the chance to shop free. Since it is a system that allows you to earn 100% cash back in your first purchases, and subsequent high percentage cash back, and it is a system that definitely allows you to shop free. How cool is that? You don't need any sign-up fee or investment to get registered on this platform, and you don't need any fancy gadget to get shopping and making money on this platform. All you will need is your mobile phone, and the initial amount you will use to the shop. I know, you may be saying, but I don't have the money to start shopping. Well, you may not have any money to start. But as I said, since your first shopping is 100% cash back, it means you can get the money from friends and family and use it for shopping. When you cash out your 100% cash back, you return the money to them. Simple. Now, before I show you how you will sign up and start making money from platform, I welcome you to this channel, Ready Money. This is the channel where you will get to earn money in easy and legitimate way. Please subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that you will get to see more money making videos from this channel. The website that offers this 100% cash back is Ibotta.com. Here at Ibotta, you will get that cash back feeling. It is where you will get cash back every time you shop online, in-store or from your phone. Ibotta makes it easy, fast, and safe to save the money you spend on shopping. You will get these offers from the world top retailers like Walmart, Amazon, Target, Best Buy, and other hundreds of top retailers online and in-store. This is how it works on Ibotta. 1. You will first sign up and browse for things you want to buy, and add the offers to your list. 2. You will then start with Ibotta and shop in-store or online like you always do, and submit your receipt or link your grocery account to earn cash. 3. Your money is accumulated in your account, and, when you are ready to get your cash, you will withdraw your earnings directly to your bank, PayPal, or gift cards. Easy money for you to earn. If you are getting value from this video, please hit the like button, and consider subscribing to this channel, and turn on the notification bell to see more money making videos from this channel. You have two options to sign up: earn cash back online or earn cash back in store. Now to get sign up to begin making money on this website, you will need to come up here to the sign up button and click. This sign up form will be open for you to fill. You will input your email address here, then followed by your password here, and then you will click on continue. You will input your first name here, your last name, select your birthday and referral code, which is optional. Then finally click on create account. You will then receive your confirmation email in your inbox, which you will use to confirm your registration for this website. From there you will be able to start earning cash back money from this website. Ciao.